Hello student, today we do exercise 3.5, sum number 4, chapter 3rd, pair of linear equations in two variable. Statement is on your screen. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. Monthly hostel charges fixed. Let fixed charges, that is rupees X. Cost of food per day, that is rupees Y. According to question, student A who takes food for 20 days pays rupees 1000. Right hand side we will balance as constant rupees and left hand side variable rupees. हॉस्टल में जो फिक्स्ड चार्ज है मंथली वो x रुपीज़ है, प्लस एक स्टूडेंट जो 20 डेज के लिए खाना खाता है तो 20 इंटू वाई, x प्लस 20y इक्वल्स टू 1000 रुपीज. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days, fixed charge x rupees, charge for 26 days 26y equals to rupees 1180. Equation number 2. Now we solve these two equations by using elimination method. If method is mentioned in the question, then you have do by the same method, otherwise you are free for do it by any method. Here term x is same, change the sign, cancel. Y is equals to 180 by 6 makes 30, means to say charge per day rupees 30. Now put this y in equation number 1 or 2. आप स्टूडेंट y30 को इक्वेशन 1 या फिर इक्वेशन 2 में पुट कर सकते हैं. Solving, 600 goes to right hand side, becomes of minus, then x is equals to 400. Hence fixed charge, that is rupees 400, and cost of food per day, that is rupees 30. Next, part second of question number 4. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. Let numerator x, denominator y, fraction x by y. According to question, it becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator. Numerator x minus 1, y same, equals to 1 by 3. Cross multiply. 3 comes 2 with numerator x minus 1 and y comes 2 with 1 at the right hand side. स्टूडेंट आप ट्राई कीजिए कि जो न्यूमरेटर है वो अपनी ही जगह पर रहे. 3x minus 3y, 3x minus y equals to 3, equation number 1. Next, it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. x से डिनोमिनेटर में 8 ऐड किया तो आपको जो फ्रैक्शन है वो 1 by 4 मिल जाएगी. नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. 4x is equals to y plus 8. y comes to left hand side equals to 8. Equation number 2. Now we solve these two equations by using elimination method. See, y term is same. Change the sign. Minus x is equals to minus 5. Value of x is 5. Now put this equation number 1 or 2. आप x को किसी भी इक्वेशन में पुट कर सकते हैं. Let I am putting it in equation number 1. 3 5s are 15. Y same equals to 3. After it, minus y is equals to 3 minus 15. Y is 12. Answer, fraction 5 by 12 is your answer. Now the next. Dear student, listen and see carefully. Yash scored 40 marks, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted cut karna, for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? We have to find. See, how will we find? Read the statement carefully and you should know meaning of every word for form the situation. How many marks he got? 40. Let number of right questions, right answers, that is x. Number of wrong questions, that is y. According to question, यश को कितने मार्क्स मिल गए हैं? 40, जिसमें 3 मार्क्स तो मिलते हैं उसको हर एक राइट क्वेश्चन के लिए या राइट आंसर के लिए, और 1 मार्क्स कट जाता है. कट मीन्स टू से माइनस फॉर ईच wrong answer. You can write here answer also. फोर मार्क्स मिलते हैं ईच करेक्ट आंसर एंड 2 मार्क्स डिडक्टेड each incorrect answer. He got 50 marks. Now solving. Multiply equation 1. Multiply equation 1 by 2. 2 3 is 6. 2y. 42 is 80. Second term same. Cancel. X equals to 50. Now put this x in equation number 1. Put x in equation 1. Simple solving. 3 15s are 45. Minus 1y. 40 minus 45. Y is equals to 5. Means to say, how many questions were there in the test? Correct questions, incorrect question, total number of questions. That is 15 plus 5. There are 20. Next question. Question number 4, part 4th. Most important question it is. Most important. Place A and B are 100 km apart on highway. Place A, place B. Distance between these two, 100 km. One car start from A. Let I am making here car. And another from B. At the same time. If the car travels in the same direction. Same direction में जा रही है इस तरह से. By the different speeds. Let the speed of car A x km/h. Speed of another car, that is y km/h. They meet in 5 hours. Obvious सी बात है, अगर दोनों गाड़ियां एक ही डायरेक्शन में जाएगी तो अनदर पॉइंट सी पर जाकर मिलेंगी इन 5 hours. Let we are making situation up to 5 hours. Let speed of first car x km/h. Speed of second car, that is y km/h. Distance covered by car 1. That is speed into time 5x. Distance covered by car second, that is also 5y. According to question, कार ए ने जो डिस्टेंस कवर किया है वो ए टू सी कवर किया है और कार बी ने बी टू सी. डिस्टेंस ए सी डिस्टेंस है और यहाँ पर डिस्टेंस बी सी है. ए सी माइनस बी सी विच इज इक्वल्स टू 100. Distance AC minus BC which is equals to 100. AC is 5x. BC is 5y equals to 100. Equation number 1 after taking 5 as common. Next, if they travel towards each other in opposite direction, they meet in 1 hour. जब दोनों कारें अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में चलेंगी तो वो क्या करेंगी, जल्दी मिल जाएंगी. That is 1 hour. Distance covered by car first car in 1 hour, that is 1x. Distance covered by car, another car, that is 1y in 1 hour. Total distance covered by both car, that is 100. Then statement is x plus y equals to 100, equation number second. Now we solve these two by using elimination method. Here y term is same and opposite in sign, that's why we cancel it. 2x is equals to 120, x equals to 60. Now put x in equation number 1. In place of x we will put 60. Y is equals to 40. Answer, speed of first car 60 km per hour and speed of second car is 40 km per hour. That is your answer, and should be never distance and speed negative. Now the next is part 5th. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by square unit 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and the breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3, breadth by 2, area increases by 67 square units. We have to find the dimensions of rectangle. Dimension means to say length and breadth. Also important question. Dear student, for situation, अगर आपने situation बनानी है, you should know meaning of every word. That's why read the statement carefully. Rectangle, you know, reduce, कम होना. 9 square unit, area represents square unit always. Increases, बढ़ना. Dimensions, length and breadth. Let length of rectangle x units, breadth of rectangle y units, area of rectangle x multiply y. According to question, what will be? कम हो जाएगा एरिया अगर हम लेंथ को रिड्यूस कर दें 5 से और ब्रेथ को इंक्रीज कर दिया जाए 3 से. जो एरिया एक्स वाई है वो 9 स्क्वायर यूनिट से कम हो जाएगा. सॉल्विंग x मल्टीप्लाई वाई प्लस 3 माइनस 5 मल्टीप्लाई वाई प्लस 3 एक्स वाई माइनस 9. एक्स वाई 3x minus 5y, 5 3s are 15 equals to xy minus 9. Cut 3x minus 5y minus 9 plus 15. Statement is equation number 1. Next, if increase length by 3, breadth by 2, area xy plus 67. Solving xy 2x 3y 3 2 जा 6 cancel Simple solving you have to do. Equation number second. And now we solve these two by using elimination method. First we will make a variable same, either x or y. Let me multiply equation number 1 by 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2 and multiply equation 2 by 3. Yes, multiply कीजिए. Cancel. 171 by 19 cut. It makes y equals to 9. Put 9 in equation number 1. Five nines are 45. It will goes to right hand side, becomes of plus x equals to 17. Hence length of rectangle 17 units, breadth of rectangle 9 units. That is your answer. Thank you, class.